So no boba tonight, just a black coffee. What did you get, Veronica?
I got a taro slush with boba.
Ooh, Abby, what did you get?
Matcha smoothie with boba.
And then Angel, what did you get?
Classic milk tea.
It is feeling a little bit chilly midnight in LA. So we're here at LACMA, Los Angeles County of Museum and Art, the Urban Lights. So beautiful. Even up to now, I'm still mesmerized by it. It's gorgeous. Good morning, you guys. What is today? Oh, it's Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. So we are, can you guys guess? We're at Six Flags. It's like home away from home. Let me introduce you to today's crew. If you guys could all just say hi.
Hi.
Angel, Veronica, Abby, and that is Jericho. We have not been on is this ride. We're going on the carousel. Look how pretty the horse is. Alright, what is up, you guys? So it is Wednesday. Happy 4th of July. Happy Independence Day to you guys. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys ended up doing today. So we are currently in Oxnard. We're here at Angel and Abby's house. Their dad is cooking up some barbecue. I brought some, oh shoot, I bought some sparklers that we picked up yesterday from Target. So yeah, we couldn't really figure out exactly what we were doing today because we weren't sure if we were gonna go to the beach. We already saw fireworks last night, which were beautiful, by the way. Six Flags Magic Mountain did an amazing job with their fireworks light show. So I definitely want to go back there next year. Hi, there's Princess, there's Aloha, there's Mackenzie. Grilled bell peppers. Uncle Tony's famous barbecue. So we are here in Panorama City at Jollibee. Veronica is going home today. She has a flight at 10. Oh, we just opened the doors. Yes, we're first in line. So Veronica will be bringing home a bucket of fresh chicken to her fam. Hi, Veronica. Hi. What's up, you guys? It is Saturday night. It's been a couple of days since I kind of chatted with you guys. On Thursday, we received another letter from Darren. We've received 3 letters from him so far. Thank you guys so much for all of your well wishes and keeping Darren in your prayers. He's enjoying boot camp. He's met a lot of cool people. He's pushing through. He called us on Thursday, which was such a pleasant surprise. It was so nice to hear from him. We really weren't expecting it because they had told us that maybe if he calls it would be on a Sunday. So it was just such a surprise when I saw his picture pop up on my phone. I was like, oh my god, and I literally had tears of joy in my eyes while we were talking to him. But anyway, I just kind of wanted to update you guys. So the hubs and I are gonna go grab some boba and go on a quick little date night because it's been a while, you know, since we've had like a date night, just him and I. We have an iced latte potted plant because it looks like a plant. See that? Hub's got an avocado shake, and I guess they no longer, oh, we're at Bounce Boba Loft, by the way. I guess they no longer carry like little stamp cards, so they gave us a free jasmine green tea because the Hubs knows that that's like my favorite. It's iced. This is perfect. And this is crispy tofu. Food was delicious at Bounce Boba Loft. I don't know why we haven't tried, you know, any of their food, but it was good. The tofu, it was tofu with some chicken wings. Hubs got mild, so I can only imagine what the spicy would have tasted like because I was sweating. I was like eating those tofu like crazy. We are at Castle Park here in Sherman Oaks. Spent a long hot minute, kind of like an arcade place with miniature golf, and they also have a baseball batting cage. by 50 points. It's a close game. We ended up leaving not playing miniature golf, but played games. Didn't get a prize because we're saving it, and had like a little photo sesh, video sesh. So hopefully that turned out well. It's still really nice outside. It's like still in the 80s, so it's a good night. It's a good date night.